Hello po, ngayon po, since kanina sa blinds, medyo naging shaky po yung boses ko. Dala na po ng gulat. First 3 seconds ko ng kanta, Coach Lay and Coach Sarah turn. So, and following si Coach Sharon. But, right now, gusto ko po bumawi sa inyo kasi alam ko po na medyo hindi po ganun kaganda yung pagkanta ko kanina. So, sa akin na naman po yun. But babawi po ako, kasama ko po si Kuya na sobrang galing po mag-guitar. At kakantayin po namin ang isang part po ng kinanta ko kanina po, which is Right Here Waiting by Richard Marx. So I hope you guys like this one. If I see you next to never, how can we say forever? Wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you. Whatever it takes, or how my heart breaks, I will be right here waiting for you. Right here waiting for you. Thank you.